All right, in order to put the needle, you can first of all put the pointy part all the way down there and put this flat the flat part of the needle away from you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's go ahead and change the needle. I was sewing and my needle broke off, so let's go ahead and change the needle on the brother sewing machine XM2701. Hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So this is a sewing machine, the packet of course, and this is the actual needle that was broken. Now initially I couldn't find my coin, and if you couldn't find this, this is what comes with, you have to like unscrew it here. But initially I couldn't find it because the kids had played with it, and I was going to use a flatter screwdriver. Not really advisable, but it was a last minute option. So if I was going to use this, see, it was working. So but if you can't find this, if you don't have this, I also try to see if I can find a coin anyway. All right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.